Hello and welcome to the In Focus series section of Drishti IAS. I am Aisha Singh and in today's video we will be talking about the Nobel Prize in Physics 2022. As we all know that the season for the Nobel Prize has begun and different categories Nobel Prizes has been given, but this time that one Nobel Prize for which the reason for the Nobel Prize is considered to be little difficult to understand is the Nobel Prize in Physics 2022. Now let us look at the timeline of the video. First we'll be looking at the news, then about the experiment for which the Nobel Prize has been given in physics, then about the John Bell and scientist contribution in the physics Nobel Prize, then about the Nobel Prize, what is Nobel Prize, and then a prelims MCQ. This topic is of relevance from General Studies paper 3, that is Scientific Innovations and Discoveries. See, from exam perspective, you should be able to know that who is the person who is getting the Nobel Prize and in which respect, and what is the reason or what is the experiment for which the person is getting the Nobel Prize. And I think last year a question has been asked on the Nobel Prize. So let's see the news, and this news has been taken from the Indian Express and it says Nobel Prize in Physics, breakthrough in quantum tech. And as we all know that from last many years the quantum technology has been majorly in news, but quantum technology is really very difficult to understand and usually people do not understand it because it is very typical in nature. So let's first see what has happened is the Nobel Prize Committee has honored 3 scientists. Nowadays in chemistry and physics we see that individual level Nobel Prizes are not given. It is a group of 2 or 3 people who are sharing the Nobel Prize. So this time also the Nobel Prize has been given to 3 people in physics. First is Alain Aspect of France, then John Closure of the United States and Anton Zeilinger of Austria. And they have been working since the last 4 decades on the quantum technology, and one of the aspect of quantum technology, that is quantum entanglement. We will be looking into it, and it is their work or their experiment which has tilted the balance of the debate in one direction, and the debate is regarding the topic of quantum entanglement, and it is these 3 people's experiment or their study that has tilted the balance in favor of the quantum entanglement aspect. So see, entanglement, when you hear the word entanglement, what do you understand? What does the word entanglement means? It means twisted, or one taking the place of other. 2 people or 2 aspect or any of the 2 things who are twisted with each other or are going into each other. That is what the word entanglement means. So you can from the word also find out what does quantum entanglement means. And when we say quantum, what does the word quantum means? Quantum means studying the elements or atoms or the smallest or the minutest of particles, which will be giving us the studies or the outcomings of how the nature is formed or how the nature has evolved since then. So the minutest of particles, study of minutest of particles. So see, first became elements, then we came into atoms, then from atoms also the study of electrons, neutrons and protons, and even particles who are smaller than them is what the quantum studies consist of. So studying the minutest of particles and understanding how the things evolved from them is what is quantum technology or quantum physics means. So from quantum physics, the phenomena of quantum entanglement has came into existence, and it is the study or the experiment of quantum entanglement for which the Nobel Prize of Physics 2022 has been given. So see, entanglement phenomena observed in quantum particles was considered to be real. So earlier what used to happen was, it was considered when there are 2 particles, then if one particle is present at one place, then the other particles would be present at other place and they cannot cross their path. So one will move, then only the other will move, or one will change its place, then after that the second will change its place. Earlier this was considered. But now after the study of these three scientists who have got the Nobel Prize, it is considered that the phenomena of quantum entanglement has been considered real. So what has happened is, I'll tell you what does quantum entanglement means. Okay, consider there are two particles, 1 and 2. So there are two particles. So what we consider is that if one particle will move from its place, then only the other one can come and take its place. But with quantum entanglement phenomena, it means this is one particle, this is another particle. And imagine these particles are 100 to 200 kilometers away or far from each other. So how much in today's time, how much time it is going to take that both of the particles changes its position? It will take a lot of time. But with quantum entanglement becoming real, the possibility, I'm again saying the possibility of these two particles taking each other place in a fraction of second. So with quantum entanglement phenomena, particle 1 and particle 2 can take each other place in a fraction of second. This is what is called entanglement. That particle 1 and particle 2, particle 1 will go from its position to particle second place, and particle second will come from its position to particle 1 in a fraction of second, in a very less time. So this is the possibility which the quantum entanglement brings in today's time, that if with this quantum entanglement phenomena becoming real, the possibility of one particle taking over another particle's place in a fraction of second will become real. Or even you can consider it in case of humans also. Imagine this is one human and this is another human. This human is sitting in one city and this is sitting in another city, and they can change place in a fraction of second. So imagine what this technology can bring to the universe. The aspects of one moving to another place can happen in a fraction of seconds. Then there won't be a need of any vehicle or anything else in future if this aspect becomes a reality in every human's life. This is what it will bring. So with this aspect, a person can move from one continent to another continent, from one city to another city, from one country to another country. This is what the phenomena of quantum entanglement does. So, and this quantum entanglement has also brought transformative technological advances in computer, and this will also make hack-free communications, because hacking needs rays and phenomena and vibrations will not be there when quantum entanglement will become a reality in everyone's life. So a hack-free universe or a hack-free life we will be able to see. Then science fiction like the concept of teleportation will also become a reality, that a person standing here and suddenly reaches somewhere else. This is what the concept of teleportation will also become a reality. Then few scientists have observed that the behavior of tiny subatomic particles like the protons or electrons was not consistent with the classical Newtonian law of physics. So see, for Newton, Einstein, everyone has done research on this topic of quantum entanglement, but now the quantum entanglement theory has become a reality, or there is a possibility that it will come in the future times in normal humans' life also. Now what does quantum theory means? See, quantum theory is bizarre behavior of subatomic particles. As I've already told you, the minutest of particles, the study of minutest of particles and trying to understand how things formed. Then particles to exist simultaneously at multiple locations is a phenomena known as superposition. See, it says that there are many particles and they are simultaneously occurring at multiple locations. On the other hand, there is a phenomena called entanglement. Entanglement means there are two particles having interacted with each other at some stage and they got entangled in a way. As I've told you, this is particle 1, this is particle 2, particle 1 interacted with second interacted with 1 and they got entangled and crossed each other in a fraction of second in no time. Then now let us talk about that John Bell's phenomena of Bell's inequality. So when the scientists were working on their phenomena of quantum entanglement, then there was this scientist called John Bell who discovered or who experimented about the Bell's inequality, and he provided more strength to the line of quantum entanglement phenomena and made quantum entanglement phenomena a reality and really helped in the phenomena of quantum entanglement becoming a reality. So John Bell belonged to Northern Ireland, and in 1964 he showed mathematically what was required to be done by experimentalists to establish the phenomena of entanglement. So he gave strength to the phenomena of the quantum entanglement by giving it a mathematical representation, and which is called Bell's inequality. And if Bell's inequality phenomena was violated, then it would prove the predictions of quantum theory right. So anything which was violating the Bell's inequality phenomena, it means it proved the theory of quantum theory. Now let us talk about the scientists' contribution. All the three scientists who have got the Nobel Prize, what have they done? So first let us talk about the Clauser. Clauser was the first to set up an experiment to test the phenomena of entanglement, and when he did the phenomena of entanglement and with Bell's inequality phenomena also he tested his setup, then it violated the Bell's inequality. And if someone is violating the Bell's inequality, what does this mean? It means quantum theory is proved. Then came alien aspect. He worked on the Clauser's setup and improved the setup, and again it violated the Bell's inequality phenomena, and again the quantum theory was proved. Then came Anton Zeilinger. So it was the first time that was possible to teleport. So Zeilinger talked about the concept of teleportation, the quantum states of a particle to another location without the particle moving anywhere and without a medium. So he talked about the phenomena of teleportation because the setup which was done by Clauser was violating the Bell's inequality. Then again alien aspect improved the setup and it violated the Bell's inequality. So Zeilinger added on to it the concept of teleport, which says that the quantum states of a particle to another location, see this is one particle and this is another location of its, without the particle moving anywhere and without a medium. So see, this is one particle, imagine the distance is 500 kilometers. So one do not have to move and go to that place. Teleportation means the particle will move from this location to this location in a fraction of second in almost no time without needing any medium to travel. This is what is the scientist's contribution, and for this contribution and their work in making the quantum theory, the concept of quantum entanglement a reality and probability of it becoming a part of everyone's life, they have got the Nobel Prize of Physics 2022. Then entanglement was real and in accordance with the quantum theory. This is what the three scientists have proved after their three experiments, that the entanglement, the quantum entanglement was real, that there is a possibility that in the coming times one person or second person or one particle or another particle can get entangled in a fraction of second and can take each other's place and move from one place to another place. So this became a reality, and this is in accordance. It means it is following the rules of quantum theory. It is not violating the rules of quantum theory. Now let us talk about the Nobel Prize, which is every year given to people. So Nobel Prize was established by the will of Alfred Nobel, on whose name the Nobel Prizes has been given, and it is awarded to those who have conferred the greatest benefit to humankind over the years. This is the most important aspect, that humankind or something which has done great or good for the humanity or for the society. Then the first awards were handed over in 1901, and each Nobel laureate, what they receive is a medal, is what they receive, a diploma and a monetary award. These three things is what every Nobel laureate receives. And the first Indian who has received the Nobel Prize was Rabindranath Tagore for literature in 1913. So you can see that the first awards were given in 1901, and the first Indian who has received the award was in 1913, and it was Rabindranath Tagore for literature. So from this aspect, you should be able to know that Nobel Prize for Physics 2022 has been shared by 3 people, and the name of the 3 people, then they have received their Nobel Prize for their work in quantum theory, quantum entanglement. You have to remember these important words. Now let us come to the prelims MCQ, and you people need to tell me the answer in the comment section. So see, this kind of questions has asked, I think, I exactly don't remember the year, but I think it was last year or last to last year. The question on Nobel Prize has been asked by UPSC. So consider the following pairs. This is subject and this is the recipients. So this is about the 2022 Nobel Prize. 2022 Nobel Prize. First is psychology or medicine, Dr. Pabo. Second is physics. It is Aspect, Clauser and Zellinger. Third is chemistry. It is Bertozzi, Meldal and Sharpless. And you have to tell that which of the following pairs are correctly matched. It is 1 and 2 only, 1 and 3 only, 2 and 3 only, or 1, 2 and 3. You will be able to do this one and go and see that what all other Nobel Prizes has been given and who is receiving it and the reason for what they are receiving it. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Till we meet next time, keep reading and keep writing.